Jaguars. I'm your host, Cherish Brown, bringing you your news in 60 seconds. If you're having trouble juggling your busy schedule, come check out the Halftime on Your Side workshop tomorrow from 12 to 1 p.m. in room A2131. Contact the Student Enrichment Program for more info. Next, participate in the viewing and discussion of the movie Cesar Chavez tomorrow at 7 p.m. in room F1622. This film is about the life and career of the legendary civil and labor rights leader. Lastly, a new student organization called RAIN, the Rape, Abuse, and Incest National Network, is having their first meeting this Thursday from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. in room B1215. Contact the Counseling Center for more info. That's all for today. For This Week at GSU, I'm Cherish Brown, bringing you your news in 60 seconds.